Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jyoya Nabe. Jyoya Nabe translates every night hot pot. It's so simple, easy to make, but it's delicious. And you never get bored and you can have it every night. That's why it's called Jyoya Nabe, every night hot pot. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this Jyoya Nabe, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. A lot of spinach. Today I'm using 600 grams, and you may think this is too much, but it will shrink. About 400 grams of thinly sliced pork rib or any part you like. 1 pack of tofu, 2 teaspoons each of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock and sake, 1 teaspoon each of soy sauce and salt. For the dipping sauce, I'm using ponzu sauce today, but you can use any sauce you like. As always, let's do all the cutting first. So tofu, just take it out from the package. Let's cut it into 8 pieces. And into the pot. And spinach. If you're using baby spinach, you don't need to cut it. But if you're using this type of spinach, cut the bottom off. And let's just cut it into half. The bottom half in one bowl and the top half in another bowl. Same for the rest of the spinach. Three cups of water and all the seasonings into the pot. Hondashi, salt, sake, and soy sauce. Let's put the lid on and let it simmer over medium heat until tofu is hot. I simmered it for 10 minutes or so, and it looks like tofu is all heated up. So let's add the pork. Turn the heat to low. Make some space. And let's cook the pork in this empty space so that you don't break the tofu. Now the pork is well cooked, so I'm making some space for the spinach. Gently stack the tofu. And push pork on one side. And the bottom part of the spinach into the empty space. Then the leafy part on top. If it's baby spinach, you can put it all at once. Let's put the lid on and keep cooking until the spinach is wilted. Cooked for another 10 minutes or so and all the spinach is wilted. So it's done. Super easy. Time for the tasting. Let's put some ponzu sauce in the bowl here. spinach and some pork together. Dip in the sauce. And いただきます。This is such a simple hot pot with very simple ingredients, but it's incredibly flavorful and I can surely have this every night as it's called. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Jyoya Nabe is the main, so it goes here. And it's a soupy dish, so let's pass the soup and plain rice here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about piiman no kimpira for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.